We'll guide you through how to enter phone number in Docs. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open your preferred web browser and type docs.google.com into the address bar. Press Enter to visit Google Docs, then open the document where you want to add a phone number. Wait until the document loads completely so all editing tools appear and function properly. After the document is open, scroll to the section where you want to insert the phone number. Click inside the document to place your cursor in the correct position. Make sure the cursor is active exactly where you want the phone number to appear so it does not disrupt your existing text or layout. Now start typing the phone number using the US format. Begin by entering the country code first, for example +1. Then type the area code in parentheses if needed, such as 415. Continue typing the remaining digits carefully and use dashes for clearer formatting, for example 415-555-2671. Double-check every digit to ensure the number is accurate and complete. Once the phone number is written, review it carefully to make sure it is readable and properly structured. Highlight the entire phone number that you have just entered by clicking and dragging your cursor over it. After that, look at the top toolbar in Google Docs for formatting options. Click the Insert Link icon from the toolbar. Wait for the link dialog box to appear on your screen. In the link box, type the phone link format without any spaces, such as tel 1455-552-671. Make sure the number you enter in the link matches the phone number you typed in the document. Next, click the Apply button to confirm the link. Wait for Google Docs to automatically convert the phone number into a clickable link. Finally, test the phone number by clicking it to ensure it works correctly. Confirm that the number is now clickable and can directly open a call function.